Guys, welcome as we do this problem. I read the question first. Given that lambda is equals to -1 is an eigenvalue of the matrix, that is A equals to, the matrix is x2 and 2x. Determine the possible values of x. So guys, for us, the first thing we are going to establish is what we call characteristic equation. Because that one, guys, we can just write it down. Characteristic equation. And the characteristic equation for finding eigenvalues, guys, it's written like this. This is A minus lambda, then identity matrix. When you get the determinant for that, guys, you are supposed to get 0. So therefore, guys, we now start doing our question. The first thing, guys, we are going to do, we are going to subtract lambda and identity, that is lambda multiplied by identity, we subtract from A. And so therefore, guys, I can write first of all A, which is x. You have 2 there, you have 2x, like that. Guys, now I subtract, I can multiply x and identity and lambda. Multiplying that, guys, you are going to have lambda. We have 0 there, we have 0 and lambda. Guys, I believe you are able to understand that because for identity we have 1 here, 0, 0 and 1. So if we multiply by lambda, guys, this is what we get. Now guys, after that we come and subtract. We subtract this matrix from this. This you will get x minus lambda, and then we have 2 there. For this other one is 2 minus 0 is 2, and then x minus lambda. So guys, that's what we have. And so therefore, guys, when we come to write here down, we shall write like that, x minus lambda. Here we have 2, and another 2 there, x minus lambda. And this is what now, guys, we equate to 0. So the determinant of that matrix is supposed to be 0. Guys, as we know, we are saying that lambda is equals to -1. That is from our question, as you can see here, guys. Given that lambda is equals to -1. So I can come and replace for that. And so therefore I'll get x minus 1, which is x minus 1 plus 1. Here we have 2. Here we have 2. X now plus 1. So all that should give us 0. So therefore we multiply the major diagonal with minus the major diagonal products, you minus the minor diagonal product. So this is x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 is x plus 1 squared. Now minus 4, this should give us 0. Guys, doing this, you get x squared plus 2x, now plus 1. This is now minus 4, should give us 0. So therefore, guys, we shall have x squared plus 2x, now minus 3. That is 1 minus 4 is minus 3. This gives us now 0. Guys, looking for factors for that, you'll have x squared plus 3x minus x, now minus 3. This is equals to 0. So guys, this is a quadratic equation. I believe you are quite familiar with it. It's actually very easy. And so therefore, guys, without further ado, this is what we are going to get. We are going to have x squared there plus 3x. guys, I find myself repeating, but now you have plus here, so that we put a bracket there, x. This is going to be minus, this is what going to be plus. You also put a bracket there. This is equals to 0. So therefore we can factor out the x. We are left with x plus 3. Here we are left with, there is 1, x plus 3 equals to 0. And so therefore, guys, we shall have x minus 1, x plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to 1 or x equals to negative 3. And so therefore, guys, this is our solution. And thank you for listening to me. Bye.